guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today, guys, we're going to be making some teriyaki chicken. For this teriyaki chicken, you're going to need some scallions, some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I have 7 of them. You're going to need a half a cup of packed brown sugar, some Shelly's house seasoning to season up everything, some crushed red peppers, some soy sauce, some minced garlic, some ginger paste, and just a drop, and now when I say a drop, I do mean a drop, of toasted sesame seed oil. That stuff is strong. You don't want it'll just ruin your whole dish. I have some oyster sauce and some rice wine vinegar. Alright, guys, so let's get started on this dish, because the first thing we're going to do, we're going to season up this chicken, and we're going to set it to the side. Then we're going to make our sauce. We're going to sear off that chicken, and then we're going to add the sauce to that, and just going to let it cook down. Okay, guys, so let's season up our chicken. We're going to season them on both sides. So get some of that Shelly's house seasoning or whatever all-purpose seasoning that you guys like to use. This is my blend. You have your own blend. Use that as well. Alright. Now just take your hand and just press it in. Just press it in. You just want to make sure that the seasoning is adhering to the chicken. And you just flip them. Just like so. Nothing hard about this dish at all. It's nothing hard at all. Everything I do in this kitchen is so easy to do. Anybody can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. We all can do it. We can do it together, babe. Alright. Alright, so our chicken is nice and seasoned, coated really well with our house seasoning. Now we're going to put Shelly's house seasoning to the side. We're going to move our chicken, and we're going to let that thing marinate, and then when we come back, we're going to make our sauce. Alright, guys, so we're back. So we're going to add a lot of this soy sauce. I'm going to run out. We're going to add like a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. That's why everything is in this measuring cup. Trying to get this thing off. And just do it like this. Alright. There's a lot of soy sauce over here. Alright. Couple tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. Some oyster sauce. Not too much. A couple. Like a tablespoon and a half. Again, you don't want to add a lot of this stuff. You don't want to mess up the flavor. This stuff right here. I was tempted not to put it in there, but the recipe calls for it, and I always use it. I got to study my hand and eye. That's it. That's it. Woo. All you want of that stuff. It will change the flavor of your food. Fresh red peppers, about a tablespoon. Ginger. And if I didn't mention cornstarch, we're going to put cornstarch in here as well. Not too much of that ginger. Just a couple squirts will do you. Ginger also is strong, and it will change the flavor. Garlic, you want a heaping tablespoon. That was about a tablespoon and a half, to be honest. Add our brown sugar. to the pot already. I'll take my spoon for the cornstarch. And you just mix everything up together. And alright, so 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. And just mix this in here until that cornstarch dissolves. Just keep mixing. You can use a whisk or a spoon or a fork, whatever you have. I'm using this spoon. This is going to be delicious. Alright. So now that all of this is mixed in, let's cut in some scallions. So we're going to use 2 scallions. Green and the white part. I'm going to use my kitchen shears to do so. Line them up together. Add it right in there. Because this ain't gonna hurt nobody. Because once you get the sauce, making the sauce probably be the hardest part. And you see how easy that was to get done. There we go. And we're just mixing. And that's it. So now let's fry up our chicken. Alright, so we're going to move over to the stove. I'll be right there. Alright, so we're back here at the stove. Let's get chicken in. Let's do a few at a time because we want to get a good sear on this chicken. So 4 at a time. Well, great, my pan's not overcrowded. Everything fits. We're going to get a nice sear on there. And when we come back, I'll show you what to do next. Alright. They got a nice sear crust on them. Let me take these out. Let's add our sauce. Add our sauce to this mixture. Always make sure that that cornstarch is dissolved in some sort of cold liquid before adding it to anything, because if you don't, it'll be a mess and you're going to have to throw away the whole dish. Oh. Alright, so now let's add the chicken back into the pan. Get that sauce, you know, seeping through and flavoring up our chicken. It's going to thicken up. It's going to be amazing. for them juices from that chicken back inside. Alright. So when I come back, we're just going to plate up this beautiful chicken. And I'm going to show you guys the final results of this. You can see the sauce just thickening. Oh, it's going to be amazing. It's going to be a little spicy, but amazing. Look at that. Remember that fish sauce, one drop. Try to get a half a drop if you can. No, I don't like it at all. I said fish sauce. I meant sesame, that toasted sesame seed. But I know so many Asian dishes call for it. That's why I could leave it out because I'd be wanting that authentic taste. So I put as little as possible of that mess in my food. I turn this down on low, and I'll see you back at the counter. Alright guys, so we're back with the final results. This looks so amazing, guys. Look at this. Look at that. You know that chicken thighs for telling you. Look at this. I'm gonna hit it with some rice. I got some broccoli on the side with some rice. I put the right amount of sesame seed oil in it. So good. And then that throw the whole thing away. A drop, y'all, a drop. I'm trying to tell you. That sesame seed oil is so strong. When people be like, a fourth of a teaspoon, I'm like, oh my God, what y'all eating? Ew. No, a drop. That's like half of a quarter teaspoon. This fucking is good. Isn't that right? I feel like I'm in the Asian store already. This thing is good. Chicken. Oh, so flavorful. So good. I'm gonna keep eating this stuff. I'm supposed to be ending this video. I'm gonna hit smacking my lips. Smacking them. Y'all guys gotta like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Hit me up on all of my social media platforms. You know, come say hi. Even if you don't want nothing, say hi. I'm gonna say hi back. I'm telling you guys, I love all of you guys. All my new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. Thank you so much for subscribing. And to everybody else, I love you guys. And guess what? Y'all, again, I already said like, share, and subscribe. So guess what? I'm out of here. I'll see you guys in the next video.